Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Economics profit questions are tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's find which measure ignores hidden implicit costs right now. Accounting profit is calculated by taking total revenue and subtracting only the explicit costs. These are the actual out-of-pocket expenses like wages and rent that a business pays to others. Because it only focuses on these direct payments, accounting profit completely ignores implicit costs. These are the opportunity costs of using resources that the firm already owns for its own production. Economic profit subtracts both explicit and implicit costs. Therefore, accounting profit ignores implicit costs, making option B the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust given data, and check your steps.